So the folding camper. Inside. I'm going to put a light on there because seems such it's lightened up. It was all dark on the camera when I was outside, but it's lightened up now. Anyway, sink. Sink in here. Need to get a bowl that actually fits better than that one. That's a really old bowl. Not that, that's a dog bowl, but that bowl. This is just an old dog bowl. But probably renew that as well. Cooker. Got a grill under it. And then shelves on the side for your cups and plates and bits like that. Drawers. Storage. Remove the dog toy. They're getting used to coming in and out of here now. Ain't ya? Hey? Do you want to live in here, do you? Yes, I do. Alright. Oh, matey. Get down then. Yeah, more cupboard space. Loads of room. Bung stuff in there. Another cupboard the other side, but I've got the porta potty in the way of that in a minute. Then we've got a fridge and a freezer bit. Oh, there we go. Freezer. It's almost like a full-size fridge, that. You get a lot of family stuff in that. I'll be tempted though only to use it either on gas or mains, because battery power, I think that would sort of flatten it very quick. Be alright running it from the car when you're plugged in, when you're on your travels, but once you stop you really want to be switching it onto mains or gas. Yep. So in here, as the dog is demonstrating, our matey, we've got a double bed and curtains, you know, to partition it off. That crumpled up bit of linen there is like a bedroom. You hang it up onto the poles up here, you hook it all up. Not about to do that for demonstration purposes, and it's got the same the other side, exactly the same, so you can sleep 4 in here comfortable. You can make up another bed in here, but then if anyone wants to get up for a wee, I mean, you could set the porta potty up down there, but you've got to crawl over everyone and then have everyone else watching you. Like go for a wee in the night, or worse still, have a dump. But you could, if need be, have a couple of kiddie beds or one single kiddie bed, you know, either side here. So that's sleeping 6, and Matey's decided to bugger off up the street. Wait, come here. Come on. Also, sleeping wise, underneath, step back a bit so you can actually see, but underneath the beds, both sides, you can get like little tents that actually zip on and hang on underneath, and they're like little rooms, so you could sleep another 2 kids one side, another 2 kids or adults even the other side. So you could expand to at least 8, and then with a couple inside there, 10 people. There will only be me and the missus, and maybe a few other people. My kettle's whistling. I put it on to boil. This is an oldie kettle. But it needed just boiling through because I've not had anything in it for a long time. There we go. So you need something with a whistle. That's going in the camper. I'll just leave that now to sit. So it's had a good boiling.